Bird Aeris AM9 with digicam and chrome. Customer arrived wanting a digicam kit for the Bird Aeris, which they had seen before, but we wanted to add an extra twist, so the best way I could come up with doing that was add chrome. So lashings of red chrome were added to the bike, along with full rim graphics, which do also have chrome. You'll see that shortly. The whole bike does look absolutely amazing. It's just so clean and nicely done. Here's the chrome on the wheels, and you can also see we did chrome red fork graphics. Just kept it simple on most of the frame, where it was just a hint of digicam, so that it did not become overkill. But yeah, the bike looks just so tidy. Enjoy! This project was completed nearly a year ago, so again you can see that they're holding up to the mud perfectly well. That is why we laminate chrome, so that it doesn't peel.